So this is what I've got for you today. It's called a gamma seal. Essentially, what this is it is a lid or a replacement lid for a 5-gallon bucket. Nice thing about it is it's a two-part lid. You've got the ring and you've got this top part with that nice gasket there that just screws into the top of any 5-gallon bucket. So as you can see, it goes together nice and easy. Kind of just screw it together, and it really assists in creating a nice airtight seal on your 5-gallon bucket so you can store whatever you want. And I've got a couple of different 5-gallon buckets here. I'll kind of show you just briefly, and then I'm going to demonstrate something else. Briefly how this fits. Goes on just like that. I'm not going to snap it into place yet, but it will go on just like that. And then instead of having to pry the lids loose that come with the bucket, sets up just like as you can see here. So that's how that ring would sit on there. Again, you could force it down. You could actually put like silicone between those two if you wanted to, and then you just screw this on top just like so. It couldn't be any simpler than this. But here's where we pause the video for a little bit of education. You're wondering to yourself, which bucket is he going to use? The one from Home Depot or the one from Harbor Freight? Well, the one from Home Depot, as you can see here, hopefully, that's a 70 ml bucket. Made in the USA, very nice. This is a free bucket that I got from Harbor Freight because I had a coupon. See right there, manufacturer, RG Company. This is a 75 ml bucket. So it's actually a little bit nicer. And yeah, made in the USA. Might be one of the only things you'll ever find at Harbor Freight. It's actually made in the USA. So, which one am I going to use? To be quite honest with you, I'm going to use the better of the two buckets. Believe it or not, I'm going to use the one from Harbor Freight. So getting back to our gamma seal, go ahead and take this apart here. Show you exactly how easy this is to install. And again, I could have put silicone underneath there if I would have wanted to. Create a even tighter waterproof seal if you really needed to. I don't think you need to, but you can. Pops into place just like so. Nice and solid. And the top, well, just screws right into place. And there you go. Just thought I'd share this with you today. I know not everybody's seen these gamma seals, so they're very useful. You can get them between $10 and $12. I found this online. I think I found it on eBay or something like that. But that's it. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me for a couple minutes today. You know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Hey, feel free to follow us on Instagram, see what we're up to throughout the week between videos, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.